Hi everyone, welcome back into the shop. Just want to do a little video on a bit of an unpackaging. So I received this package a few days ago, and it's going to be some bits for the Unimog here. So the Unimog is going to be not an exact replica, but it's going to be a sort of a miniature version of the Mogwai, which I'm sure most of you have seen. So just a bit of an unboxing or unpackaging, and see what's been sent through really. So let's open up and have a look. So there's two lovely packages here, both received from MEUS Racing. They've supported me a lot on the channel for the last couple of years, and I have to say that I'm not just saying this because obviously they've sent me this stuff, but the quality is really good and I'm really pleased with it. Got a few sets of axles, I've got servos, different bits and bobs, shock absorbers and stuff like that. So what have they sent me? Well, they've sent me a set of straight axles, the aluminium axles, which they're in silver this time. I've not had the silver ones, but as usual the finish looks great, so I'm going to look forward to fitting those. And also sent me a 2-speed gearbox, which is quite interesting. Not quite sure how it works yet. I'm guessing I need a little servo for it, so I might have to dig through my spares box and see what I can find. But yeah, as usual, nicely packaged. So let's get them open and see what's inside. So first of all, let's get into the axles. I kind of know what to expect with these because I have used them before. Let's see what's in the package. So we've got front and rear axles. So this is obviously a set. So as usual, they look stunning. Quality is really good. Can't fault these at all, and they feel lovely and smooth. You get the aluminium servo housing on there as well, servo mount on there as well, which is good because obviously standard they come with the plastic one. Yeah, and as usual, everything feels nice. I mean, they're going to look great on there. I like my axles and things to stand out sometimes. I know it's very easy to sort of go super scale sometimes, and sort of you miss a lot of this this quality stuff because it's all hidden away. But no, they're going to look great. So you get some fixings. Get fixings to fit them. Some of the screws need to be a little bit longer than usual, so obviously you get all of those. You get the stickers, which is usual, and it's also come with a steering arm, silver steering arm. I might leave that black. I'll have a look at what they look like with the axles fitted, but yeah, you get that as well. And these are ball fixings, so everything is nice and flexible. So lots of things in here. First and foremost is the main gearbox. So as I said earlier, this is a 2-speed. So it's a lovely looking piece of kit. It's got a motor fitted as well, although I will probably swap that out for a brushless system, which is already fitted in here. But that looks lovely. Weight wise, I'm not sure. Might have to do a bit of a weight comparison to what's in there. Obviously we're running the standard gearbox in there at the moment, so it's going to be a bit heavier, but you get a skid, which is nice, and the alley skids are really good. There's lots of springs and bits and bobs in there, so I'm guessing that's probably a spare set of contents for the gearbox, but I'll have a look through. And I'm guessing these are side plates. I've not seen these before, so that'd be quite interesting. So these are, I'm guessing, side plates to fit on the model. So that's really nice. I like that. Laser cut from stainless steel. They're going to look good, and in fact they'll probably go really well on the Unimog as well. So it'd be interesting to get those fitted. And also it gives you place to mount things, which is handy. So yeah, that's the contents of the box. Nice couple of upgrades for the Unimog. So in the coming days I'll probably get those fitted, do a bit of video for you. Hopefully this little Unimog's going to be quite a piece of kit. I've done the body, I've not mounted it yet. I need to 3D print a couple of parts. There, so just to give you a bit of a comparison, the size of the normal gearbox, I've got a Komodo fitted in here from Fury Tech at the moment. So quite a big lump that's going to go in there, but definitely an upgrade and a bit of probably much needed weight for this as well. So once I get some body posts and things fitted, I've not decided on the body yet. If anyone's got any ideas for the body I should do on it, let me know. Thinking maybe just a bit of a tray back, or could be similar to the Mogwai, and then have a go at making some bumpers and bits. So let me know what you think. And just out of curiosity, I've designed and fabricated a new camera bracket and setup with some lighting on it. So let me know what you think about the angle and stuff. I think it's quite nice. It gives the garage in the background, and yeah, overall hopefully make my videos a little bit more appealing. So thanks very much. As usual, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.